Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Cheryl here. Today I want to share with you my simple and natural ID passport makeup using what I have in my makeup bag. So today I want to show you a couple tips and tricks on doing a simple ID photo makeup. And first off, I'm using a tinted moisturizer instead of a foundation. I dot it on the high points of my face and, where I needed the most coverage. To me personally, I think a simple makeup requires a lot of blending, and here I'm just going into the blending motion. Quickly blending out all of the products on my face, and after I blend for the first layer, I'm gonna use whatever left on my hand to dot the corners of my eyes, the corner of my nose, the corners of my mouth, as well as under cheek areas. So this is just the brightening part using the tinted moisturizer. We're still making that base looking as natural as possible. Here comes the concealer part. I'm only using a teeny amount under my eyes, and I will draw an upside down triangle, a little stroke on the nose bridge, a teeny little dot on the tip of the nose, a little bit on the cupid's bow, and the side of the mouth. Because we're trying to create the natural ID photo look, so we're not trying to over conceal or brighten those areas, but using a shade lighter concealer is gonna help to kind of bring out the definition more. As usual, we're just blending out all of the products before moving on to the brows. And for the brows, here's the trick. When you're brushing the brow mascara on, you brush from the back towards the front first. So you're getting a lot of the products on and trying to fill in all these sparse spots. And then you brush from the front to the back. So you're giving your brows that fuller, bushier look. I'm very specific when it comes to how my brows look. So as you can probably tell, I spend a good amount of time on my brows. Once again, I'm using the concealer here, and I'm not trying to conceal anything. Instead, I'm trying to brighten the brow area by putting a little product on top of, as well as underneath the arch of the brows. Carefully blending out this area to bring out the shape, define the shape of the brows, and make your brows stand out a little bit more. For the contour part, I'm using a cream bronzer to create that natural contour look. So I'm putting some of the products on the side of my nose, the hollows of my cheeks, a little bit on both sides of the tip of the nose, and a little bit underneath my lower lip. Here comes the blending again, so we're using the clean side of the sponge to blend out all of the products on the face. For narrow area, I'm using the tip of the sponge, making sure that you're using a clean side so you're not mixing all the products on the sponge on your face. Here's a little tip for blending the hollows of the cheeks, making sure you're not dragging the products, you're more like stippling, on the skin. Imagine you're bouncing the sponge on your skin instead of dragging the product across your cheeks. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes. For this natural ID photo makeup, the lashes gotta be curled. For the eyeshadows, I'm not using any actual eyeshadows. I'm using the cream bronzer that I used earlier, and I'm only applying 1/3 from the outer corners of my eyelids and use my pinky to blend inwardly, almost in a windshield wiper motion. Since I'm wearing a cream product as an eyeshadow, the tip to make it look more natural is to use the warmth of your fingertip, and here I'm using the index fingertip to blend the product one way, one direction. Then I dip into this sparkly cream eyeshadows, apply from the inner corners 2/3 of the eyelids, as well as the lower eyelids, starting from the inner corners with my pinky. Don't freak out if you put a little too much on the lower eyelid. You can always use a sponge to clean it up. I'm just using a lip balm, making sure my lips are moisturized before I use any lip products. And I'm using this blush slash lip products. I put a little bit on the high point of my cheeks as well as the nose bridge, and I use my fingertip to blend it out. I absolutely adore any cream makeup products because I think it's super simple to create this healthy, lit from within beautiful glow. Next, I'm blotting the lip balm off before applying the lip color using the same cheek and lip product. So I basically just outlined the shape of my lips before filling them in with this cream lip product. For a simple and natural ID photo makeup, I think it's really important to match your lip color with your cheek color. That way, this makeup look is gonna look more cohesive. I totally thought I was done with this makeup look until I realized I forgot about the mascara. So I'm gonna apply a generous coat of mascara. Once again, this is a no eyeliner ID photo makeup. I have filmed another one that's called Picture Perfect makeup in the past. If you're interested, be sure to check out the top right corner. Now this is basically this simple and natural ID photo makeup. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'm Cherilissa. I will see you in my next video. Bye!